I say go, you're just going to throw your piece of paper up, not like super high, just enough to go in front of you. If you see one landed that is on the floor, you may pick that one up.
Anyone what?
Who can explain to me what we're going to do? Dominic.
We're going to drop ours in front of us and then pick them up.
Are you going to try and pick up the same one? No. I'm going to try and get a different one. All right, on the count of 3.
No, not yet. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, your expectations are still the same whether we are up and doing an activity like this or we're in our seats. So, no craziness. 3, 2, 1. Keep throwing it. Keep throwing it. Has to land on the ground before you can pick it up. If you get one, throw it again. Come on, Anna, get in there. Dakota. All right. Pick one up, get back in the circle.
Audrey doesn't have one.
Help her get one.
Somebody got 2. But Audrey doesn't have one. No, she doesn't.